everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having an amazing, fantastic day. I'm doing really good today. At the moment, it's really dreary, rainy outside. And I sit on a futon and it's like laid out and it's, I'm sorry. But anyways, hope you guys are doing fantastic. Hopefully this futon doesn't break and I hit the floor. But anyways, I keep saying but anyways. Anyways, let's get into this unpacking. Today we have my IPSY. If you don't know, IPSY is, I think, $10 a month. I'll leave everything down in the description below as always if you guys want to check them out. You get a bag every single month and you get, I think, like 4 to 5 like sample size items. So let's get in here and see what we got as I hulk into this. Alrighty. So here is the bag. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so shiny. I'm sorry. I love shiny things. That's shiny. It's like shiny, you know, like the squirrel moment. Here's the bag for the month. It is very pretty, very shimmery, shiny, very Christmassy. So I really do like the bag. It's not one of those like mermaid ones. And then on the back it is just black and says IPSY down here. But I really do love that it is shiny. So we'll open this guy up and we'll pull up a card and it says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Hashtag IPSY. And then it has some information on the back, not the products because they don't do that for some reason. Oh, my back hurts so bad. Here is the card for this month. It is very cute, Christmassy. I love the Christmas season. Makes me happy. So there's that little card. Alright. So the first thing I'm pulling out is in this box, and this is by Nomad. This is Around the World Copenhagen Moonlight. Copenhagen Moonlight. I don't know what that says. But here is the box for it. It's just a little box, and I don't even know. Oh, it is a light infusion powder. Buttery, super blendable, holographic illuminator in duochrome glow with multi-dimensional prismatic sapphire pearl finish. Free of parabens, something, and mineral oil. And it's cruelty-free. Let's see if I can get into this guy. Alright, so we take it out of the package, and it is just like a little Nomad compact here. So usually all the Nomad things come in these little packages. And then here it is. It is like a purple blue. It's supposed to be like duochrome. It's like purpley blue. It is very soft. Here it is. Ooh, it's so pretty. It shifts. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on camera or not. But, well, maybe. Come on, light. I don't know why my light does this. Focus. There we go. Okay, so here it is. It is very pretty. It shifts from like purple to blue, so it is very pretty. And I'll give you guys a swatch here. It's very pretty. I love the shift in the color. So I probably would use that as an eyeshadow. So that's the first thing that we got. The next thing we got is a brush, and this is by Farrah, which we actually just got a pack of Farrah brushes in the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, so now we have another one to add, and it doesn't tell you what it's for, but we'll take it out, and it does have the same shape as those other brushes have. It is very pretty. It is plastic, but it is still kind of heavy weighted. I think this would be good for like wiping away powder or maybe like a big eyeshadow brush maybe. And this is the 35E brush by Farrah. So there's that brush. It just has a gold handle. The next thing I'm pulling out is, I have gotten this so many times since starting my subscription boxes. I'm sorry about my hair. It's in a weird state. It's starting to grow and it's just doing its own thing. But I've gotten this so many times in subscription boxes. I actually really like it though. It is the Professional Primer. And it always has that little lady looking like she's going on a mission. She's got her suitcase with her and she's ready to go. So she's always on the front of this. And this is a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. And I really do like this. I use it especially underneath my eyes and my nose area because I have really big pores there for some reason. And I can get rid of them. So this little guy does help me out. So I'll definitely use it, and it does just come in a little tube like this, and the Lady on a Mission is on the front. The next thing I'm pulling out is Meet Mud, Your Skin's New Best Friend, Dead Sea Mud Mask by Grace and Stella. And it just says apply a thin layer to face. Apply a thin layer to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. Use a clean washcloth if needed. Follow up with your favorite serum and or moisturizer. Use twice a week. Discontinue if irritation occurs. So we just got a mud mask here. And there's the packaging for that. And I'm sure it's probably like a clay color, or yeah, it's like a really thick, oh, it's like green. Kind of looks like seaweed. What if it has seaweed in it? Dead Sea Mud. No, it's just mud. So here is the mud on the back of my hand. It's like a green color, which is weird. Usually I am used to like the clay color, so it looks like squashed up peas on the back of my hand. But I would definitely give it a go. I lost my little shirt that I wipe everything on. Okay, so there's the mud mask. The next thing, oh, we got 6 items this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we get 6 items this month. I think I did hear that they were putting in 6 items for one was a bonus for being like the holiday season. So the next thing we have is a nude eyeshadow. It's called Nude Beach Volume 3 by The Balm. And I always love their packaging. Like, these 2 little people down there is on the beach having some fun. And this is in the shade Bootylicious. Ooh, that's really pretty. It says Life's a Beach Bootylicious. And it is just a brown shimmer color. I really do like that. Ooh, it's really soft too. Oh, and it's like a magnetic. So it comes in its own little pouch thing, so I won't lose it, hopefully. So here is the color on my finger. It's very pretty, very shimmery. And then I will swatch it. It's very pigmented too. So I really do like that. It's kind of like a brown chrome color. So I would definitely give that a go. And the last thing we have in our little bag of sparkles is this. This is by Steve Laurent. It is a, what are you? I don't know. Steve Laurent lip oil. Okay, so we have some lip oil here. Get it out of its little packaging. I really do like Steve Laurent. It's a very good brand. It's really stuck in this box though. Oh, they really shoved this guy in here. Oh, come on. Oh dear. It's really stuck. I had to rip the box a little bit. Or maybe if I open it from this end. And it says in the color Orchard. Oh, there we go. Goodness. So here is the lip oil that we got. It is just a clear oil. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do. It doesn't really say on here. It has the ingredients. It says follow Steve Laurent. So I'm guessing you just put it on your lips and it's a lip oil. It smells really good. It smells like fruit. It smells fruity. Maybe it's because it's called Orchard. But it does smell really good. It just gives your lips some shine. So I do have lipstick on, so I just put that over it. And it's not sticky at all. So I really do like that lip oil. I really do like oils and lip glosses. So there is that lip oil. So that is all that we got in our December sparkly IPSY bag this month. I really do like everything in it. Like I said, I've got the Professional primer like a million times, but I really like it, so I don't mind. So that is all that we have for the IPSY. If you guys get IPSY, I would love to know everything that you guys got. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think it's worth the money? It is $10 a month. And I personally love IPSY. I really, really like their IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and I really like this one also. So I would love to know all of your guys' thoughts and opinions, and that's all that I have. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!